Hello everyone. In this video, you will come to know where you can find service order permissions on TranZact. For that, either click on Access Management or click on Settings module. Now under User Management, you will find the option Teams. Now suppose here, I want to give permission of creating service order to my quality department team. For that, I'll hover my cursor on the three dots. I'll click on Permissions. Now, I would like to inform you that purchase orders are linked to service orders. If a team member has a permission to create purchase order, they can also create service order. So, I need to enable the permission to create purchase order. So, I'll search purchase order here. I need to enable view purchase documents, edit purchase order, and publish purchase order options. So, I'll click on the checkboxes. And after clicking on Save Permissions, my quality department team will be able to create service orders. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.